Slowly we will be moving towards this image because I believe here's most difficult work ahead of us. And we will have to remove this panel over here, of course, adjust the floor, build up some of the stones that we have here. But before we start this, we need to extract the products from the background. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut out these 3 products that I have here so I can have them on the top layer, and under this I will be able to remove the things I have to remove. And for this I'm going to use the pen tool once again, because if I would use some quick selection tool or something else, I believe the edges might not be straight as they supposed to be. So this is why I'm going to do this with the pen tool to make sure that everything is right. And now I'm going to start making selection, and I'm going to speed up this video just a little bit to make sure it's not too boring for you to watch. So this is it. I extracted 3 different products. Of course, it doesn't look perfect at this moment, but you can trust me. We just needed to cut this out here. We have some of the reflections, and actually when it comes to the top of this product, I don't need it as much. What's important is on the bottom here, where the products actually stick to this panel over here. So this is the first step in preparing our image for this quite demanding retouch that we are going to do here.